Today we will study about the divisibility rule of 10, 11 and 12. Divisibility rule of 10. What does this rule say us? A number is said to be divisible by 10 only if the number unit or ones place. Unit place is 0. Then only the number will be divisible by 10. For example, suppose you have given the number 460. Then here the unit place is what? Written 0. Then the number 460 is divisible by 10. Suppose another number is given to you is 269. Then here unit place is what written? 9. So the number 269 is not divisible by 10. Divisibility rule of 11. What does this rule say us? A number is said to be divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of even place digit and the sum of odd place digits get divisible by 11. Let us take the example. Suppose you have given the number 825. Then here 8 and 5 is in the odd place. So sum will be what? 13. And the even place is only single number, that is 2. So the difference between them is what? 11. And 11 is divisible by 11, we already know. Then this number 825 is divisible by 11. Let's take another example. Suppose you have given the number 739. Then the sum of the odd place digit is what? 16. And the even place is single, which is 3. So the difference between 16 and 3 is what? 13. And 13 is not divisible by 11. We already know this. Then the number 739 is not divisible by 11. Divisibility rule of 12. A number is said to be divisible by 12 if the number gets divisible by both 3 and 4. Let us take with the example. Suppose you have given the number 1440. Then here the sum of the digit is what? 1, 4, 4 and 0 gives what the result? 9, which is divisible by 3. We have already studied previously in the divisibility rule of 3 that the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, then only the number will be divisible by 3. So here in this case also the sum of 1, 4, 4 and 0 is what? 9. So this number 1440 is divisible by 3. The last 2-digit number is what we are getting? 40, which is divisible by 4. So the number is divisible by 4. Therefore, the number 1440 is divisible by 12 as it is divisible by both 3 and 4. Let's take another example. Suppose you have given the number 438. Then here the sum of the digit 4, 3 and 8 is what? 15, which is divisible by 3. And the last 2-digit number is what? 38, which is not divisible by 4. So the number 438 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, the number 438 is not divisible by 12 as it is not divisible by both 3 and 4. It is only divisible by 3. That's why this number 438 is not divisible by 12.